Looking to spruce up your home? Here are the top 5 easy and creative DIY home improvement projects. First up, let's start with a simple but impactful project, painting an accent wall. Next, why not try your hand at creating a customized gallery wall by arranging different art pieces? If you're feeling a bit more ambitious, consider installing a smart home system for added convenience and control. Another fun project is building your own raised garden bed to grow fresh herbs and vegetables. For those with a green thumb, creating a vertical garden using hanging pots and planters can add a unique touch to any space. A great way to transform a room is by installing crown molding or adding decorative trim. If you have an old piece of furniture, don't throw it away. Give it new life by refinishing or repainting it. Updating your kitchen cabinets with a fresh coat of paint can instantly revitalize the space. Incorporate more natural light in your home by installing skylights or adding more windows. Last but not least, consider installing a DIY backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom for a stylish upgrade.